Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download the Partypoker mobile app on your mobile device. So if you're actually using an Android device, go over to the Google Play Store and download from there. But as I'm using an iPhone device here, go to the App Store and then on the bottom right search page, up at the top, start typing in Partypoker, press search, skip past the first advertisement and go to this one right here, the Partypoker Texas Hold'em Poker app. On the right hand side of the app, there's a cloud icon and a downwards pointing arrow in my case because I've downloaded the Partypoker app on my App Store account in the past, not necessarily this device. But if you've never downloaded Partypoker on your App Store account, you will have a button that says GET, the Get button. Either way, press Get or press the cloud icon and that will start downloading the Partypoker app on your device. I'm going to come back in a little second once this has fully successfully downloaded. So guys, we can now see that Partypoker has fully downloaded on this device, and from within the App Store it gives us the open button. That is going to open and launch the app, so press that and then Partypoker will run on this device. Partypoker would like to send you notifications, press don't allow. And there we go guys, we can see that we've fully successfully downloaded the Partypoker mobile app, and we can go to the register button on the top left. If you do not have an account yet, you can go in here, give your email, user ID, create password to create your account. I'm going to back out of here. On the top right, there's the login button. If you already have an account, type in your username or email address, your password, press login and start playing at the Partypoker tables. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below and I will answer them as fast as possible. Thank you.